According to MAN's CEO, Alexander Vlaskamp, E is the name of the game. Pushed by regulatory constraints, but also the total cost of ownership of vehicles, MAN wants to be emission-free by 2050. However, they don't believe in hydrogen. Considering its scarce availability and that 3/4 of the output is currently lost in energy conversion, they keep the focus on e-mobility. And indeed, over 350 MAN Lion City e-buses are already roaming the roads, with over 1,300 being in order. This model, which could be spotted and tried out on the fair grounds, even won the IAA Bus of the Year award. MAN also showcased its near-production prototype of the new MAN e-truck. Thanks to megawatt charging, it is set to charge up to 80% in 1 hour and boasts a daily operation range of 600 to 800 kilometers.